Get 1 month of free Discord Nitro. All you need to do, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. All you need to do, just download fast Epic Games Launcher for your PC and create fast account. After that, you will see up here featured giveaways. Just open it. Also you have these cool free games, make sure you check videos on my channel. Mystery games coming soon. Today we have cool free things to get on Epic Games. Just scroll here down and you will see down Discord Nitro. Get 1 month of free Discord Nitro. All you need to do, just go here claim now, click on it and you will see this new window. Just go here get, click this, verify here like me and go here down place order, check this and you will see message thanks for your order. Just go here continue browsing. After doing this you will see in library, click on it and just install Discord. Move on your mail where is your Epic game connected and you will see message Epic Games Discord Nitro giveaway offer. Just open this mail and you will see down read them now. Just click this like me, log in on your Discord. After logging on your Discord you will see Epic Games Store, you got 1 month of free Nitro. Just go here next and you will see today it's for free. Just add here PayPal or credit card and you will get free Nitro. Add payment, credit card or PayPal and go here next. And go here get Nitro. I think guys you need $1 to get Discord Nitro because it's not full free. And that's it all guys for this video, how to get cool Discord reward, Discord Nitro, 30 days of Discord Nitro. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.